Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to rearrange your blocks in a WordPress website. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar we are getting an option of post, and as soon as I move my cursor on the post, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having option of all posts, where all blog posts written by us would be displayed. If you want to create a new post, then you can click on add post, but right now I'm going to click on all posts because I am going to edit my existing blog posts for your better reference, so you can easily understand how to rearrange your blogs in a WordPress website. For example, as you can see, there are lots of blog posts written by me and getting displayed over here, and when I move my cursor on any of the blog post title, then automatically the edit option gets displayed. So I will click on the edit button, and for example, there are lots of blogs in this. We are into the editor mode of our blog post, and due to some mistake, might be you have added the block at the wrong location and now you want to rearrange your blocks, then I'm going to tell you how to rearrange it. For example, this is expenses included paragraph, right? And there is a paragraph above it of why this business works, and now I want to rearrange this expenses included bullet points block onto the top of that, right? So how I can do it? So as I move my cursor on this blog post and click on somewhere right in between my block, right, then automatically a pop-up toolbar on the top gets displayed, right? And now there is an option of move up and move down, right? If I click on move up, then bullet points are getting moved, right? And if I select the whole block, right, then automatically this has been selected by moving my cursor anywhere in the block and not on the text, right? So there is an option of move up and move down in the top toolbar that appears automatically whenever you select any block, right? And when I click on move up, then you can see that this block is getting moved upwards, whereas if I click on move down, then this particular block is getting moved downward, right? Similarly, if I select this image, it is again in a block, right? And if I select move down in the toolbar, getting displayed over the image, right, whenever I select this block. So again this image is getting moved downward, right? So again, if I rearrange this block, then I can rearrange this block. Similarly, let me tell you once more. For example, this is a block, and if I click somewhere here, then I can move this block upside and downside, right? So a heading is in another block, text is in another block, right? And these bullet points are in another block, right? And image is in another block, right? If you want to group these blocks, then also I will tell you how to group blocks, right? So you can move all the blocks simultaneously and easily in our next video. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WordPress website, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. Just visit to my blog and read articles related to WordPress website. And if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.